Hello, grade 5. This is lesson 3, practice time. In this lesson, we will learn going to. When do we use going to and how do we use it? Going to. What's this word? And what does it mean? And when do we use going to? Let's take some examples, and I want you to pay attention to the sentences, then try to guess or expect what is going to and what does it mean. The first sentence says, I'm going to visit my uncle tomorrow. I'm going to visit my uncle tomorrow. The word tomorrow is for the future. It's not today, it's tomorrow. So going to is related to the future. We use going to talk about a future event, something that will happen in the future. I'm going to visit my uncle tomorrow. It's not today, it's not yesterday, it's not now, it's in the future. The second sentence, she is going to do her homework tonight. She is going to do her homework tonight. Now we start a sentence with the subject. The subject here is she. With she comes is. Then going to. After going to comes the verb in the infinitive, which is do here. Do her homework tonight. This is also a future. Tonight is for the future. They are not going to play football this weekend. We are talking about the weekend. Now it's not the weekend, so it's a future event. This sentence is in the negative form. They are not going to play football this weekend. They are not going to. They will, or they are going to do something else. They are going to study their lessons. They are going to do their homework. So, to make a sentence in the negative form, we add not before going to. She is not going to. They are not going to. Another sentence, my teacher is going to teach us a new lesson today. Now it might be in the early morning, so we are talking about the morning. When our class starts, our teacher is going to teach us a new lesson. We aren't going to the beach this month. We aren't going to go to the beach this month. We are talking about the future again, and we used going to talk about the future. Now the rule is we start with the subject, then the be verb. The be verb here is are in the last sentence. We have am in the first sentence, is, are. They are all be verbs. Plus going to, because we are talking about the future, or not going to. Plus the infinitive, the verb without any additions. Now let's conclude. We use going to talk about something that is going to happen in the future, something that we are going to do in the future. Now let's practice going to. The first question says, Rebecca is space have a baby next month. We have the keyword next month. which tells us this is an event that is going to happen in the future. So we use go to or goes to or going to. We use going to talk about the future. So Rebecca is going to have a baby next month. The next question, we space going to cook supper. We will going to? Of course not. We are going to? Yes, we are going to. Before going to comes the be verb. The next question, what are you going to space this evening? After going to comes the verb in the infinitive. We have wore is in the past. We have wearing is in the present continuous. Wears we have s here, the suffix s. So we are going to use wear. Wear is in the infinitive. What are you going to wear this evening? The last question, I'm going to space Spanish next summer. I'm going to learning. It's not the infinitive. I'm going to learn. Yes, I'm going to learn Spanish next month. Last question, it's so cold. I think it space rain. I think it is going to rain. I think it might rain. It is rain. No, it will be rain. No, it's so cold. I think it is going to rain because it's cold. Thank you. I hope you learned something new today. I want you to practice sentences with going to. Try to form a sentence or two sentences using going to. Try to solve some questions and to practice this tense. Thank you.